Hello friends, my name is Puneet Mahajan and I'm a resident of Hero Homes, and I bought this flat in 2017 and I'm very happy with the project delivered by Hero Homes. And the main reason why I bought flat here is Hero is a renowned name, and unlike others I'm not worried about the investment which I have made, and I also expect good returns in future as far as investment is concerned. And as far as the property, the flat is concerned, it is a very airy and very, you can say, very ample light is there. Overall the design of the flat is okay, and it is a good value for money, you can say. And if I talk about the amenities are also good, like clubhouse is there and a swimming pool is there. Parking system is good, I appreciate that it is all underground. Then we have here lawn tennis court. I wish Hero Homes good luck for future, and I wish a very happy life to all my fellow residents.